Yeah. Lash Tech who? About to pay $80 where? Huh. Period. Betty on the budget. Just stop playing. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Zanai, and today I'm making another video. So today we're gonna be trying something. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell that when every time I post. Cause don't forget, if you ain't gang baby, you can't hang. And that's on period. Okay. So I'm gonna give you a couple seconds to go ahead and subscribe. Okay, y'all should subscribe now. So today's video, we're gonna be trying something that I seen on Instagram, Reels, and TikTok. Okay. So I seen this little lash hack, okay, and the girl, she took the little base part, like the little sticky part, join that's on the lashes, and like she cut it and did like that individuals. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my lashes that I got, and I'm gonna take my Falscara set that I got. I dropped something, but yeah, and I'm gonna take this, okay, and we're gonna see what it do, okay. So let's get started, baby. First things first. We're gonna clean the little lashes away. Okay. I'm gonna take this dry mascara that I got. Well, it was dry. I put the makeup cleaner and stuff in there. So this one not dry. But I got another one, so hold on. Let me get it. Okay, so I thought I had a dry one, but I don't. It's gonna be what it be. So we're gonna pick one of these. I'm trying to see which one I want. I'm gonna go with these right here. Yeah, see. Okay. Keep in mind, I got little Frenchies and stuff on that I did myself because we're betting on budget. So yeah. So what they did was she took like the sticky part off of this.
2,000 years later.
I'm trying to like get it off without even. Let me see. Okay, so you know what? It's not allowing me to do it. But I'm gonna try this other hack that I seen. So let's see. Cut it, you know, to your liking. Blase. Yeah, so this is going on this eye, and then this one's going on this eye. Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna take the bond. See? You got the bond on this side. The bond, and then the seal. Yeah. So I'm gonna take the bond. Hold on, let me move it. Okay. Hold on. It says fan is on, so it's lightning in my eye. Turn it off real quick. Alright. Try this again. I'm gonna take this. We're gonna see what it do.
Bombastic side-eye.
At this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Cause y'all, not it fail. Not it fail. I'm gonna put some of this bond on here. Don't be as messy as me. But yeah. I'm gonna try this again. Yo. This is starting to frustrate me. Okay. So I definitely put the bond on the wrong side as if I was doing regular strips. So we're gonna try this again.
Thought you ate that. Bitch,
Okay, so it's just not working like that. So this is what we about to do. We about to cut it, okay? Yeah. Okay, yeah. So we cut it and we're gonna do it that way. Let's see. Alright. Yeah. If you're gonna do it that way, yo, stop playing. Yeah, cause stop playing with the girl. Stop playing with the girl. Cause stop playing with me. Yeah.
2,000 years later.
Okay. Yeah, so let's put the last one on. I ran out of storage. Okay, so they all on the side. And then we're going to, because we use the bond part, we're going to use the seal, okay? And we're going to seal this together. Okay. All nice and sealed. So we're going to do the same thing to this eye. I'm going to come back when it's finished.
2,000 years later.
Okay, y'all, so they both on. Yeah. Well, this one right here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So I'm like using this, but like I'm closing it and then like pushing it up a little bit. Like, so that way it can like really stick. Same thing. I'm gonna take the seal. Hold on, my eyes are a little watery. Seal. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side because I did the bottom, but I didn't do the top. Okay. Now that the seal is done, yeah. Little dry. Yeah. Now we're going to take this overnighter. Boom. And we're going to do what we got to do. Now when you're using this, you want to do at least 2 to 3 coats. So you're going to do it, let it dry. Do it, let it dry. Do 3 coats just for extra security. You know what I'm saying? Let me shake it up. Let me stop. Okay, so I'm running out of storage again. But I did both of them. We letting it dry. This makes it go faster. Can you try to hurry get this done? I'm gonna do a second one. I'm only doing 2 coats. Okay. That's it, that's done. And yeah, this is the final result, period.
You ate that.
Yeah. Let's take who? About to pay $80 where? Huh, period. Betty was just stop playing. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell down for every time I post. Cause don't forget, you ain't gang, baby can't hang. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.
Well, I gotta go. They just let me know that I could pick up my Mercedes. I got hoes in different area codes. Everywhere I go, I call and they drop the low.